How to fix frozen Reels views on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check your internet connection. So, launch settings. Click on the option Wi Fi. Click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi Fi, and server data. This might resolve the issue. Next, wait. Instagram's views count is not real time. It can take minutes to hours to update, especially if ISIS servers are moody. If it's only been 1 to 2 hours, you can check back later. Next, next up, update Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, launch Instagram. Now log out and log in back to your account. So navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll all the way down, click on the option logout, click on logout again, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Likewise, what you want to do is delete and re-upload the reel in which you are having this issue. So you can navigate to your reel, click on three dots given at the top right, select the option delete, click on delete, then again re-upload it. If none of these solutions work, contact Instagram support team. For that, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option help, click on report your problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include and continue. Here briefly explain about the issue and then send it. So these are some fixes for frozen reels views on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.